Hey V-Cubes, 7 here. This is my tutorial on how to take apart and reassemble the 3x3 cube. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to rotate the top layer 45 degrees and well, what you may want to do is cut corners. And then this, and then pull on this and it'll pop out. You can take it out. Then take out the corners and then just line the layers, then turn each side until the cube falls apart. Okay. Now, what you want to do is you want to take the core. Then you want to make the white cross. So just take an edge piece that has white and put it with the center. There we go. And just keep on doing that until you get the white cross. Okay, there. Now set it down. And then put all the white corners in, just like that. And do it for the rest. Well, that may be helpful if you sort all the pieces out. Then take an edge piece and fit it right in. Now, another way you can fit it in is by rotating this layer up like this, setting the edge right there, and then bring it down. Do the same thing right there. Now I'll demonstrate that thing I just showed you right here. There. Now you have the first 2 layers. Now, what you want to do is rotate the top layer 45 degrees, like this, and then pop an edge in. Then find the corner, put it there, take an edge, set it there, and keep on doing that until you have 3 pieces left to go. A minute. Now, once you have 3 pieces left to go, just put the edge pieces in, the center pieces, the corner pieces in first. Then just snap it in just like that. Now, instead of just popping the edge out with your thumb or cutting corners to do it, you can just use a flat screwdriver or something. Rotate the top layer 45 degrees, stick under, and pop the edge right out. I won't do it because pens break. The best thing to use is a pencil because you can sharpen it. So yeah. So yeah. Bye. See you next time.